What's up YouTube? I don't know where I'm going. Back here with another video today. Yeah, so today me I go over my brother. We say more and catch a little vlog food, no? Yeah, we didn't have a little slump area of Port, man. Yo! Oh, me can't come to... Eh? No? We can't come too close to that guy. Copyright. Where was it, the vlog?
Outside. See that?
Alright. So I meet up with my brother and tell me say, yo, you have to hurry up and meet up with him because him soon left. So I jump on a taxi real quick. My mother didn't look at thing this morning, so them both them for stay over there and don't come back. Which me I go come back anyways because I'm not stay over there. I'm not so sure we stay, but yeah. I say I can catch some videos. I catch the video, yeah. I say I can catch another video. I don't want to talk about it because I don't know if it's going to come out the right way. Big someone. Shit. I don't do nothing. I just lock up in my house and all that shit. So I tell myself, yo, I have to come out. This woman have been at the house, lock up. And I do nothing so much. She will bring out, but no, brother. So I have to come out myself and say, yo, I have to do something. You see me? That make me not get no video. I ain't get no video for upload because I lock up in my house and can't make no outside video. And the links them they all over the place and me couldn't around them, so alright. But anyways, you don't want to run too much. I jump on a taxi real quick and then I start record back. Yup, I have this shit over my head because my airline mess up. I go over my brother because he know for trim. I'm the only person he ever met going on my ear. So yeah, I'm not gonna take off this and show up on camera. So we just reaching taxi. I'm gonna end up with my brother trim me today because yo, my ear, if you look under here, so my ear look big up. After I get the nigga for trim my ear, I'm gonna do another video. Just hopefully that go right. You know, with nobody in the taxi, so I have to go wait until the taxi full, which probably gonna take me a next good. Let me see, probably about a next good 20 minutes. So I just reach my place. I'm not going to record too much yesterday because yeah, my brother play. Yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe, you know, turn notification bell after the video, subscribe. Make sure you watch the ads. I place the ads right here so in the next 3 seconds. So yeah. When we reach, I'm gonna start record back again. We can't record too much. I just reached the idiot, them never tell me say them I go back a man. So we are going to turn back a man. We are going to turn back a man now because of them. Oh man, imagine. So basically, we never go with them because I'm gonna explain why we never go with them. Because which part me did I come from? I they say them I go back and they never tell me. So before the idiot them tell me say yo, I they say them I go, they make me come from a taxi and then gone back. But you see me, 8 and bad, I come over for like get me a cut, do some videos, you see me, I look at my brother them, spend the time. And I spend the time with them the whole entire day, you see me. So yeah, I'm just like sit down back, I probably just download some music and just relax back until they forward back. You see me? So look at shit over so wait there. I meet him. Yeah. Look at shit over so yo, what? Alright, so yo, you see if you want to trim me, see me? $1,000 up. I joke.
Yeah man, $1,000 up man.
Alright, but you see if you know you're good, it's probably like a good 5 days, you see me? Yeah. Plans, I'm not going to show me here, but I swear, look. So let me do that. Yeah, man!
Sick.
Yeah. Chill. Alright. So I put this in a time lapse and I drop a odds right there, so I watch it here. So guys,
The part where they running and make a video, is it?
oh we are talking. Wait. So where is it?
Take out the part. Yeah.
Hello? The one is here making money right now. Okay? So just game a good hour anyway. Get some kiss up and over. Yeah. Alright, fine. So wait, you not tell them something get the kiss cake. We're gonna cross the road.
Yeah, man, we are ready now.
Cross the road today and today. Wait, put that. It's a vlog, so I don't know why I say this back over again, but alright, I'm going to the man there. Jano.
Bumbo clock.
Oh, is that good man?
No, I don't know dog. Yeah, I tell you, yeah, whiskey. Yeah, whiskey for the biscuit.
Well, I'm money since when, dog.
Yeah, whiskey for the biscuit.
Where's it,
You have me stand up there in front of you, ask him.
Alright, so guys, I just probably like the fourth person for the kiss video, you see me? So I'm just say, you know what, I got add on, it's like 2 videos I do at once. I don't know if that makes sense, but I vlog while I do a prank. You see me? I hope copyright no day over there, so because we are going to go over there right now and twerk on some bad bitches.
What?
Oh.
Yo,
Alright, so, yo, we'll come out of the trenches. With the
Breton Hood, is it?
Breton Hood.
What?
And you make me say that while ago. Alright, wait, you rate my cut. Oh fuck. Yo, just stop the video. Alright, so basically, we are step out of the trenches right now. And yeah, let me tell you what happened. So basically my mother did end up for sale now.
You angry at you?
Yeah, like me I come out and want to make a little money off of YouTube and shit. And she want to get angry and tell me, oh, yeah, go out and not say nothing. But I say, fuck it. But you see the look fuck it to me, say, brother, and make me some good reaction. You see me say, I thank God. So, alright, yo, come. We are going at the good side of the trenches.
Yeah, the hood.
You like my new cut, right? We just finished the what the fucking video called? The kiss cake video. So we just send it off. So and we have to run out from fucking rain and all that shit. So yo, you think we film the video right there, sir? I just wait until I go.
Maybe. Yeah, but they must say that part of bone cars.
Nothing else not there saying I'm not saying to stretch out the video.
Yeah.